Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be showing you my skincare routine, highly requested. This is my morning routine, so specifically what I do when I first wake up. It's pretty simple, to be honest. It's not like super long and laborious, I suppose. Actually, it might very well be. I don't know what's normal anymore. I mean, look at this. Is that normal? This is what I do. These are the products that I use in the morning. It's different to my nighttime routine, so if you want to see a nighttime routine, tell me below in the comment. This is what I do in the mornings if I'm not in the shower. So if I've showered the night before, then this is what I will do in the mornings. If I haven't showered the night before, which honestly I find quite gross to go to bed without showering, so normally I do, yeah, this is how I do my skincare routine. So yeah, before I get into it, I want to tell you guys I'm going to give away a special bottle of the Advanced Gènifique in the Gen Glow packaging. So drop a comment below and I'll pick someone to win this. I am the face of this particular campaign and I'm super excited by that. So shout out to Lancôme for sponsoring this video. I'm going to share with you my skincare routine now, so hope you guys enjoy. Okay, this is my morning skincare routine, okay? So say I've just woken up, I get out of my pajamas. I'm just in a towel for the sake of the video. Okay, first thing I will do if I'm not having a shower is cleanse my face with Face Halo. I'm the co-owner of this brand, as you guys probably know by now, and it's an eco-friendly makeup remover, but I use it for cleansing my face. If you look under a microscope at our fibers, our Halotech fibers, they're kind of spiky, so they can go right into your pores and pick up any dirt and grime that's left there overnight. I guess because you like sweat, cell turnover happens at night, it's good to make sure that that's off, and it's really nice and refreshing. It's quick. It's also less messy than like dipping your face in the sink. Whoa. In between uses of Face Halo, you just take some soap and the product washes right out of the Face Halo, and it's good to use again. People seem really confused how to wash your Face Halo. You just wash it like a beauty blender. Oh, I look naked. Okay, now you can still cleanse if you want. Lately I've really been liking this Murad cleanser. It's the Prebiotic 4-in-1 multi-cleanser. I've really been trying to use pre and probiotic products because microbiome health and all that kind of stuff. I feel like it's really been helping me actually. So I'm gonna apply that to my face. Now, something that I do with my skincare is I cleanse for 60 seconds. So I let it go on for ages. And then for good measure, I usually take my FOREO device and I rub that all over my face to make sure it's getting right in there. So I use this all over my face, my neck, because it has like pulsations, sonic pulsations I think, and they're meant to help with anti-aging. So I'm all about that life. Like I said, I don't always cleanse after using my Face Halo, especially in the morning when I don't have anything except the product from last night's skincare routine on my face, you know what I mean? But I'm just a product whore and I want this video to be interesting and I want to share with you, you know, the products that I like. With a clean Face Halo, you can remove the cleanser. And that's really good because then you don't have to get your face all up in the sink and there's water not running down your neck and into your cleavage, down your arms. Okay, skin is cleansed, Face Halo is clean. I hang it up for next time. So after cleansing, I'm gonna take the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. You have to have really wet hands for this. Put some in your hand. It's literally a powder. Rub your hands together. And it's an everyday exfoliant that you can use. I try to focus it on this lower part of my face because as you can see, I've got some darkness there. Like, oh no, you probably can't see it. But I'm trying to get rid of that pigmentation there. And I was told by an expert at Dermalogica that this would help get rid of it. So I'm trying to use it morning and night, you know what I mean? It feels so good and it's weird because it's not abrasive on the skin, but then when you wash your face, your skin is so damn smooth. I'm always like, how? Face Halo once again to remove it. That is done. Put the lid on because if moisture gets in there, you're screwed. Now I'm gonna use my serum. Seriously, the most important part of my routine, and as well as SPF, I guess, is the Lancôme Advanced Gènifique Youth Activating Serum. Can I get a focus? Hell yeah. This is my 4th bottle, and as you can see, it's about up to here already. I use this product every morning, every night. Sometimes I use it as a primer. You can mix it in with your foundation. You can dab it on top of your foundation for a glow. It's like a one-stop shop. It uses probiotic fractions to boost the overall health of your skin. You just twist it open and then the little button pops up. And I guess as the button's popping up, it's drawing the product into the, what do you call those again? Can't remember the word. Then you can squirt it into your palm. It repairs and strengthens the skin barrier and helps to even texture, tone, gives you a glow, all that kind of thing. I try to use like generally sweeping motions. And I remember reading once that you should apply product upwards, so I kind of try to do that generally. Next, I need SPF, I need eye cream, and I actually want to put some fake tan on my face because there's a little bit of two-tone happening here. So I'm gonna head into my closet. So eye cream, I'm gonna show you the 3 that I'm liking right now, and then the SPF that I usually use is this one. And what face tan do I want to use today? Oh, it's a mess in here. I think I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so the eye cream, that it depends what stage I'm in. So if I'm gonna put makeup on, normally I'll use my Ole Henriksen Banana Bright eye cream. If I'm not gonna put makeup on, I will like to use my Lancôme Eye Pearl, and that's the one that, you know, is meant to go with the serum, so even better. Oh my god, wait, I forgot. I normally like to rub it in a little bit with this cooling little ball on the end. It's so cold. I don't know how it's always so cold. What's it made of? And then Tropez sent me this. It's a really, really nice facial tanner called the Self Tan Purity. And it's just easy to use. So I spray it into the sink to check that the mist is working, because you don't want to mess up fake tan, guys. Woo! Oh, it smells so good. It smells so tropical. Now I'm gonna let that settle in, and then my Invisiblur from Murad is my go-to SPF. It's SPF 30 in the US. In Australia, I think it's called SPF 15, which is honestly a bit scary. When I bought this in Australia, it had like a little sticker on it saying SPF 15. Let me check that. I think that's, yeah. See, like this is an Aussie one and it says SPF 15, but then on the American one, it says SPF 30. So yeah, last step is definitely SPF. Please, for the love of all that is holy, don't forget your SPF. This one is great because it's invisible and it's blurring and it's anti-aging, I think. I'm pretty sure it's anti-aging. Well, I mean, it's SPF, so yeah, helps with that. I lied to you. That's not the last step. The last step is body SPF. Bish, don't forget. Because a lot of the time, at the very least, your chest is exposed, so, you know? Put it in your handbag so you don't forget. Okay, I'm not even actually going outside after this, but I would apply more. So yeah, this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF 50, and I'm pretty sure this is from Australia. Yeah, this is an Australian one. So SPF 50, don't play around, guys. And yeah, oh, lip balm. I was like, why are my lips feeling crusty? So this is my little lip balm cabinet. I've got my Lana lips, I've got my Bite. I might use my Bite today because this is a really cute little tube. I love my Bite Agave. This is just the plain one. Gonna put a little bit more there and then rub that into my cuticles, because my cuticles are a sight. All right, then what? Nothing. That is it for me. Look at how the sunscreen gives you a little bit of a glow. They should add shimmer to that sunscreen. I would buy it. Have you ever seen anyone so glam? So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you Lancôme for partnering with me for this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Leave any questions below. I'll try to answer them. Get commenting. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.